I'm sure nakita niyo na yung statement ni Miss Alice Dixon about being unimpressed with 20-year-old fitness influencers kasi nga naman, iba yung katawan mo at 20 versus yung katawan mo at 50. This is very true. So sa mga trentahin like me, paano nga ba tayo makakabuild ng physique, ng health and fitness na maganda and strong by the time we're 50? First, kailangan talaga nating tignan yung diet and nutrition. As a 30-year-old, mas importante sa akin ngayon to eat foods that will nourish and fuel my body properly. Of course, every now and then may guilty pleasure pa rin na meals, pero overall, mas marami talaga akong kinakain na healthy kasi yun yung magdadala sa akin sa magandang health by the time I'm 40, 50, 60. Second is to lift heavy weights. I'm saying this for both males and females. Sobrang importante na as early as our 20s and 30s, we focus on really building muscle. Kasi imagine, by the time we're 50, mas marami tayong magagawa in life and we can get the most out of it kung fit tayo, healthy, walang sakit, walang iniinda. And of course, less injuries kasi hindi lang tayo basta healthy, we are strong. And lastly, focus din dapat tayo sa sleep. Alam ko during our 20s and 30s, ito yung time natin to really grind on our work, sa mga binibuild nating business. Pero hindi dapat masacrifice yung time natin to recover kasi down the line, katawan din naman natin yung magsasuffer dyan. Lalo na kung laging stress and kulang sa tulog. Siyempre, ayaw mo umabot ng 50 na hindi ka fresh. And all of this to say na yung tatlong yan, kailangan siyempre na-enjoy mong gawin yan because yung goal natin is magawa mo to 10 years, 20 years, hindi lang to 3 months, 6 months, okay? You have to focus on doing this long term kasi ito naman talaga yung dapat na ginagawa natin for our own health and longevity.